Sophia here from my great challenge. Welcome back to my disgusting house. It is Sunday, 8:30 in the morning. I have no makeup on. I pretty much just got up. I put my plants out in the greenhouse that I assembled yesterday. You probably saw that video already, or maybe you'll see it at another time. But basically, this is going to be a day in the life of a normal person who works full time. About 12 hours to 13 hours every day, and that's the best you can. I could do better, sure. I could do worse too. Okay, I'm still waking up. Anyway, all right. So what's the plan today? We just celebrated Edward's 19th birthday. So as promised, we are going back to the conveyor belt sushi today. I would be perfectly capable and okay with going to conveyor belt sushi with the house looking like this and not a care in the world, but that's not what a good mom's supposed to do. So, plus I really don't like the house like this. It's not a lot. I know it looks disgusting, but trust me, it's not a lot. It's going to take me about an hour and a half. Okay. So I'm going to go through the whole first floor, tidy up, clean all the counters, put the stuff away, sweep, vacuum, mop, aerate a little bit, open the windows. That's probably going to be a montage on perky music so you guys can wake up and get motivated to clean. And then we're going to move on with our lives. So I have to put us on the list for the conveyor belt sushi, because if you remember the last time we went, we had to wait about 4.5, 5 hours. But we're not going to go through that this time around. We're going to sign up and find out how long it's going to take. And then we'll decide based on that what we're going to do. We might go to Mitsuwa. I would love to go to Daiso. I have never been to Daiso. So that would be a good thing to do. Lord knows I don't have room for more crap. But who can resist Hello Kitty stickers? Not this girl. I'm kidding. I just want to go see Daiso and see what it looks like. And maybe there will be some Hello Kitty stickers, okay? So we might do that. It all depends on how fast they can put us in the conveyor belt sushi table, or, we might go to Daiso afterwards. But Edward was smart and actually requested a day off from his job today so that we could spend the day as a family. And I really appreciate that. Boy, did I do a good job as a mom. He actually thought about that without me telling him. So how about we get going? We clean. A lot of it is repetitive stuff, but how many creative ways are there to film a kitchen and dining room and living room cleaning? Not many. And it's a day in the life. Life is repetitive, isn't it? That's all we do. We go to work, we clean, we cook, we go to bed. We go to work, we clean, we cook, we go to bed, and repeat. Yeah, that's why I try to plug in a little activity here and there, something a little bit different. So let's get cleaning. Whew, okay, 2.5 hours. It's done. It's almost noon. Yeah. I don't know what difference it makes. But listen, it's shading season for dogs, okay? So we got hair everywhere, and the floor vac, whatever you call it, the robot, finally died. And I have another one coming up. Another company sending me another one. So in about a week or 2 weeks, you'll see a review for a new robot. The other one just basically died. I guess it suffocated on the sheer amount of dog hair that it had to clean up. But anyway, so the whole first floor is done. Floors are clean. And then you see the kitchen is really, really clean. And I pretty much, I just scrubbed everything. And here's the cat. And I'm watching my neighbor, Ralph, building exactly the same thing that I built in my yard for his vegetable garden to keep the deer away. He's doing exactly the same thing with the wood and the wires. So I guess he got inspired. But anyway, I'm going to take a break because tired. And I'm going to put on some makeup, freshen up a little bit, do my hair, whatever I can do with it. And we're going to move on with our day. We're going to go, again, we're going to try to go to, you want to go to Mitsuwa? We're going to the sushi place, but you want to go to supermarket?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
And we'll check out this Daiso. He's 19, right there.
I am?
Yes. Look at his shirt. What does it say?
19. 2020. I can't read. Hold on.
Very bad.
Would not recommend.
Would not recommend. Okay.
That's what it says.
All right. So you're 19.
Yes.
You want to go to the sushi place?
Yeah.
What else do you want to do?
I don't know.
Take a ride?
Yeah, take a ride.
Maybe go to Daiso.
Around that whole area.
Okay. All right. That's what we'll do. I'm tired, babe. Do you mind walking the dogs for me?
Sure.
Okay. He's gonna go walk the dogs for me. That's cool. Hey, it doesn't take a lot to keep the house clean. I get it, all right? But again, our schedule is such that, and it's not my priority. So you guys enjoy clinic videos, so there you have it. When I come back, I am going out with the family and we'll do the rest of a day in the life. See you in a second. Yay, we made it! We finally made it. The waiting time wasn't too bad this time around. It was only 2 hours or so. But did you see the line at Daiso and at Mitsuwa? We decided to skip because it was just insane. So yeah, I'm going to show you a little bit more of the sushi this time around because last time we did kind of like a very quick video. We had the Kura revolving sushi bar, and we're not gonna get ramen this time around. We're going to stick to, well, I'm not. We're going to stick to the menu, and this is Edward's request for his birthday. So let's get started. So we're back from Barnes & Nobles. We had a good time. We are stuffed. There's no way we're going to be able to have dinner tonight. It's 6:30. I'm going to have a coffee. I have some work to do for tomorrow. I'm actually working from home tomorrow. It's one of those rare occasions because I have to do all my audits and there's too much distraction going on at the office. I park myself at the end of the dining room with my work computer and my notebook, and I just go through all of the audits. I also have to do the timesheets, and tonight I have to do a schedule for tomorrow. So once I'm done with that, it's going to take about 45 minutes. I'm going to have another cup of tea and enjoy myself with this magazine that I got that's called Borders, Beds and Borders. I don't know how to design borders, guys, obviously, if you watch my garden experiment. So I'm going to try to get some ideas from that. But the most exciting news of the day, other than Edward's birthday, is that I finally got my rose. This is the Jackson & Perkins third rose. It's a hybrid tea that I purchased. It's called Pink Peace. I ordered it back in January and they mail it to you bare rooted, ready to be planted when the temperature is the correct temperature at night, at least. So if you want to know more about it, you'll have to check my garden experiment, which I've posted prior to this video. So what I'm going to do is film the end of that video with this rose. I'm working multiple videos at a time, trying to crunch the weekend. It feels great to come home and have a clean house, I have to say. Boy, oh boy, if only I had the discipline. We all know I don't. The other news is that my Cisno tea kettle is leaking. And I've had it for how long? This was one of the first reviews I ever did. I think I got it for 5 years now. At least 5 or probably 5 years. So I had to order another kettle today. And I can't remember if I got a Cisno or something else. So I had to order that today. And that's about it. So this video was mostly music and montage for whatever reason. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe right here in the corner. I will see you next time. I have no idea what I'm going to do next weekend. I have other projects that I want to work on for spring. Right now I am mostly focusing on the garden because this is gardening prep season. So there's a lot of stuff that I'm doing in the garden. And by the way, I have to bring all the plants, all the seedlings back indoors because I don't trust nighttime. It's still in the 40s, mid 40s, low 50s at night here, if not below. And I don't want to lose my seedlings, but they were in the sun, in the greenhouse all day, and at some point the greenhouse got foggy on the walls, so there was some good heat and humidity going on, which is really good for them. So I'm going to bring them in, and that would be it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye! Hey, it's me, and guess what? Click that thumbs up if you really like this video. Thumbs down twice if you didn't. You can also share my video if you really liked it, or save it to watch later. Also, you can subscribe to my channel, but don't forget to click that bell button so you are always notified when I post a new video. Thank you for watching.